Hello guys, today we'll learn about difference between bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Now let me tell you all, these three terms, they sound the same but they are actually different. Now we'll start with the differentiation. So first point in bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy is the meaning. Before learning any concept, we learn about the meaning. So bookkeeping is concerned with recording financial transactions. Here nothing is included except recording. So whatever transaction which occurs, you have to just keep it keep it in writing in your books. Okay. So 10,000 received, 10,000 given, like that. Then in accounting, it includes processing and interpreting financial data. So after recording, you have to definitely classify all the data into accounts. Like I have received money, so I will write it in income account. If I have paid money, I will write it in expense account, like that. Okay. Then I will interpret, like finally how much money I have, how much I have given, how much I am yet to give, all that. And accountancy means it's a broader field covering bookkeeping and accounting. So accountancy is the main field, main branch. Under that there are two types, bookkeeping and accounting. Okay. So accountancy includes both bookkeeping and accounting. So basically it includes recording, processing and interpreting the data. Now second point is scope. So bookkeeping is a narrow concept, it has narrow scope because it includes only recording transactions. It doesn't include anything else. Then accounting is slightly broader concept. It has a wider scope which includes recording, classifying, summarizing and interpreting. Here everything is included. Okay. And accountancy has the broadest scope because this includes, as I said, both bookkeeping and accounting. So it is the broadest concept. It includes principles, concepts and applications of accounting. Principles in the sense all the rules and regulations to record the transactions. Then you have to you should have the knowledge of concepts here. Whatever account you are preparing, you should know why that account is being prepared, what is to be included in the accounts, everything. So conceptual knowledge and application of knowledge, application of accounting. Okay. So after this you have to know what I have to do with that data which I have recorded and analyzed and everything. Okay. So you have to know what further process you can do on that data. Third point is stage. So basically these are the steps. So first step is bookkeeping, which is the foundation of accounting. Without bookkeeping, nothing else can be done. No accounting can be done. So it's the first step, which is foundation of accounting. Second step is accounting, which involves financial analysis. So as I said, you have to process and interpret the data. You have to classify the data. Okay. And accountancy, it is not a stage, it covers all the stages basically. So covers all stages of financial management. Fourth point is purpose. Now why bookkeeping is done, why accounting is done, why accountancy is done. So bookkeeping is done to maintain systematic records of transactions. So you have to keep all systematically everything, all the data that you have, systematically you have to keep it for better understanding. Accounting is done for preparing financial reports and analyzing business performance. So you should not only record everything, you should also analyze it. So basically, to give a simple example, a day-to-day example, you just don't keep the notes in your notebooks, right? You study it now. So not only writing the notes in your books is important, like not only bookkeeping is important, accounting is also important in your lives. Okay. And accountancy is done for the overall view. It is done to provide a structured framework for financial management. So it gives you a particular blueprint, you can say, it gives you a blueprint for all your business activities. Okay. Next point is users. So who uses your bookkeeping data, accounting data, accountancy data? Bookkeeping data is used by internal users. So who are there in the company, employees, accountants, everyone, they will be using. Only internal users will be using the bookkeeping data. Accounting data is kept by both internal and external users, managers, investors. The customers also come under this, because they should know how much money you have, how much you are capable to produce goods and services. Basically, they will after that they can sure that they can buy products from you. Accountancy is used by everyone. Everyone means government also is included here, academicians are also included, professionals are also included, other businesses also are included. Okay, so researchers also can use this data. Accountancy is basically everyone can use it. Bookkeeping is used by the internal users only, the employees of the firm, and accounting is used by both. Okay, and accountancy is used by internal and external and other people after that as well. Okay, and the last point for today's topic is examples. So what are the examples of bookkeeping? So recording sales and purchases in journals. So journal, what is a journal, what is a journal entry, everything we'll learn in future videos. For now, just take an example of recording sales and purchases. So you purchased 5,000 raw materials, rupees 5,000 raw materials, so you are going to record that in your books, and then you are going to record how much you sold. Okay, then in accounting you are going to analyze that with the help of preparing profit and loss account, balance sheet. After preparing profit and loss account, balance sheet, you will get an overview of how much money you have, how much you owe, how much others owe to you. And accountancy example is everything. It is about studying financial management, it is about auditing, it is about taxation, everything. Financial management, as I said, this is preparation of profit and loss account, balance sheet, other accounts, all comes in financial management. Auditing comes when the auditor comes, as I said in previous video. The auditor analyzes your books of accounts, then he tells whether it is correct or not, whether there are any frauds that are found in your accounts. Okay, the taxation purpose, as I said yesterday, taxation for the government. The government will analyze your income, and then he will tax you on that. Okay, so I hope you all have understood all the three concepts now very clearly: bookkeeping, accounting, and accountancy. You all can watch my previous videos also for detailed understanding if you haven't watched it. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.